you are going to love the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.